Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fullerton local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers have been serving customers for over 20 years. Our services cover every aspect of a move, giving you all the time you need to deal with everything else while we take care of all things moving related. We'll arrive right on time so there won't be any delays in your busy schedule to fret over. Know upfront how much our affordable quality services amount to with an included free quote. When you're moving far away to another zip code, you want to be sure that all of your precious valuables are safe for the long drive. Our company provides special moving equipment and packaging to make sure all of your important belongings are protected. We serve customers who are moving out of state, across the nation, or internationally to a foreign destination. Wherever you are going, we'll be right there with you, making sure your things arrive without a hitch. Even though you might be moving into a new home or office just around the block, you'll still have to deal with packing up everything and making sure it is transported safely. Our movers know exactly how to pack your things so that they'll arrive all in one piece. On top of that, a local move will only take our movers just a few hours to complete. From packing to unpacking, your moving day will be a dream. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fullerton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.